This is the 2017 Ford GT. It's got the 3.5 liter twin turbo. Produces 647 horsepower and 550 foot-pounds of torque. Has the same engine as the F-150. Obviously bigger turbos and stronger internals and all that stuff. So, but this car is strictly made for the track, because I mean, you can drive it on the streets, but like if you watch the reviews on these things, you see the interior, it's just straight based out, the interior. I mean, it's just, the seats don't even adjust, the pedals actually adjust forward and stuff, and it's just very basic, but this thing is made to stay on the track. Like, I mean, this is a beast of a car in real life. We're hitting that track. Obviously, I've never driven one, but just from reviews and knowing this car. But yeah, guys, I think this is very nice. The bottom is very plain. I'll say that. I'm not impressed with the bottom, but I mean, I think the rest of the quality is pretty nice. The engine's nothing, you know, sorry my camera doesn't focus well on my phone here, so, but the engine's not that much detail. I'd have to take another look at the real version to see, and then there's not anything going on in here, but I don't think there's anything going on in the real one either. So yeah, I wouldn't say it's like super high detail, but this is by Maisto, and I think it was somewhere around 50 some bucks. I had a buddy Pete that wanted me to do a review on this one. Yeah, it's pretty good, not bad. Not my favorite though, honestly, but I didn't expect it to be because I know the interior. I'm big on interior and stuff, and the real version of this doesn't have that good of interior. So, but yeah, guys, here it is. It's kind of cool how it's got the openings though to let the air in there to keep this bad boy down. So there it is. Here's she rolling. Oh. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This was the Ford GT 2017 118 scale by Maisto. So if you want to get it, I'll have a link in the description where you can get it. They do international shipping. So no matter where you are, you should be able to get it. But yeah, I think it's high quality for like 50 bucks. So, but yeah, the real version's like $500,000. So, you know, maybe if you want to get one in the future or something, you just get this for now. So add it to the collection. So, alright guys, well if you like this and you want to see more videos like this, subscribe, because I already got another car. I'll be doing that one hopefully in a couple days. I took a little break from YouTube and stuff. I had a lot going on. So yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.